Unpacking Youthquake, Understanding Today's Linguistic Phenomenon. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, the home for everyone eager to learn and master the English language. Today, we've got a fascinating term that has made waves in the lexicon, youthquake. This term is not just a word but a reflection of social change and has an interesting history and usage. So, stay tuned as we explore the depths of youthquake and how you can use it to sound like a native speaker. The term youthquake is a blend of youth, referring to young people, and earthquake, which signifies a significant disturbance. It was first coined in the 1960s by Vogue magazine's editor-in-chief Diana Vreeland to describe the cultural shifts caused by the younger generation. Today, it is used to depict a significant cultural, political, or social change arising from the actions or influence of young people. Youthquake emerged from the vibrant youth culture of the 1960s, which was characterized by new music, fashion, and attitudes. This period saw the rise of rock and roll, the miniskirt, and a wave of youth-led movements. The impact was so substantial that it was likened to an earthquake, hence the name, youthquake. Its resurgence in popularity often coincides with significant political events influenced by the younger demographic. Using youthquake in a sentence isn't too different from how you'd use the word earthquake. It's a noun that can be used both in a literal and a metaphorical sense. For example, after the election, commentators spoke of a youthquake that helped shift the political landscape. The fashion industry is experiencing a youthquake with the emergence of young designers. Remember, it's a term that's most appropriately used in contexts where young people are causing a big impact or change. Youthquake reflects more than just a lexical trend. It encapsulates the power of the young generation in shaping our world. Recognizing such terms and their meanings can enrich your vocabulary and understanding of contemporary social dynamics. It is a powerful reminder that language evolves with society. Thank you for watching. We hope this video sheds light on the exciting world of evolving language and the term youthquake. Understanding where and how to use this term will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of social and cultural change. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful English language content. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.